Okay, here we go. We're going to take it in phases. We're going to do the building first, then we're going to do the sidewalk area and the sign. And then next month, they want to split it up. Next month, we'll do the curbs. So here we go. Here's the building. It's a two-story building. And I can see, I don't know if you can see, it's pretty dirty. See if I can get a close-up. Yeah. All right. This is the side. We'll come around the front. We'll do the pillars up in the awnings. Got the two pillars up in there. Okay, the first step is to rinse down the building to get all that surface dust off there. So when you apply the chemical, it'll stick to the surface and not the dust. And here's a couple real bad spots here on the other side of the wall. Okay, we applied the solution. To the building. Now we're using the pressure washer to rinse off with not really high pressure. It's more like a low pressure. And then we'll take a video of afterwards. Okay, here's the after effect of after the pressure wash of the Animal Hospital in Sanford. Now some of it's still wet, but we gotta get going, so I gotta take the video. These bricks came out real nice. Ceiling came out good. And on the top there, that's some kind of tar, something on there. We hit it twice and it does not coming off. And I forget if I took a video in the back here. In the back, it looked like it was pretty rough. Oh yeah, it's nice and clean back there. And here's the other side. Again, that's some kind of tar from the roof. Not sure what that is. The door came out pretty nice. Patio came out nice and clean. Yep, all nice and clean.